Well, this is kind of concerning. So I'm going to say a few things. If you are, or if you've ever been anti-gun, you're also anti-Constitution because you can't separate one from the other. They're all part of the big picture. Now let's get to something else here. This lady, you need to get hold of the Senate office. Make sure that she is not confirmed. Let's go up here. This is preamble to the Bill of Rights. It says this took place on the 4th of March, 1789. The conventions of a number of the states having at the time of adopting the Constitution expressed a desire in order to prevent misconstruction or abuse of its powers that further declaratory and restrictive clauses should be added as to extend the grounds of public confidence in the government. Now, in case you don't know what declaratory means, what that means is it's explaining things and designed to fix what was uncertain or doubtful. Now, I can understand why our Supreme Court can't see this. Like I said, you can't separate one from the other. These so called constitutional firearm laws is bullcrap. Firearms we have today are political laws. They are not constitution in any manner, people. Good Lord. Let's see what else I was going to say. Oh, yeah. The language of the Constitution cannot be safely interpreted except by reference to the common law and of the British institutions as they were when this instrument was written. Talking about the Constitution of the United States. On every question of constitutional, we have to carry ourselves back to the time when the Constitution was adopted and recollect that spirit that was manifested by all the debates. Instead of trying to do what meaning can be squeezed out of the text or invented against it, conform to the probable one which was passed. Now, in case you people don't know it, the federal government is constitutionally barred from infringing upon your rights. Period. They're constitutionally barred. That's what this preamble to the Bill of Rights is trying to tell you. See this thing here? To prevent misconstruction or abuse of powers that further declaratory, to fix this, and restrictive clauses should be added. Now you talk about Trump wanting to bring back public trust in the government. Well, bringing this Pam Bondi in is not the way to do it. Once you're anti-gun, you're also anti-Constitution. We don't need that kind of stuff going on in the government today. You want to bring trust back to the government? Use your head. Well, guys, that's about all I got to say on this. But like I said, these so-called constitutional laws is a bunch of crap. They're political laws. The Constitution doesn't allow them to pass anything that's unconstitutional, but that's what they've been doing since 1932. Well, that pretty much does it. But like I said, get hold of uh, your senator. I think what the heck is the number? I forget now. But do your part, people. You want a strong America? You want to keep your firearms? Keep them people out of business. The Constitution and gun rights go together. They can't be separated. They are one and the same. You can't have one without the other. Thanks for watching, guys, and I mean that. We got to do something here. I mean, Trump has goofed before. Maybe he can get her to, resign and get out of there. We don't want her confirmed. Find somebody else that knows what the law is. Apparently, these people who are anti-gun, they've never known what the law was. They only go what they were taught. It's like these constitutional lawyers. They say, "Oh yeah, I'm a constitutional lawyer." They didn't study the Constitution when they went to law school. They studied what other judges said about the Constitution, and thus making that judge the law and not the Constitution itself. Like I said, guys, thanks for listening to my rant.